Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Macon Campbell and this is maconSTUFF. Today I'm going to show you how I made this pair of Blacksmith tongs. So I may be showing you how I made these Blacksmith tongs today, but this is not exactly how I had my week planned. See, what I was planning on doing was forging something out of this old bolt that I picked up next to a demolished railway track at band practice. Now, this thing took me all of almost 2 days just to get clean. I'll be showing you some references up here to give you an idea of what this thing looked like. I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to forge out of it. I've been leaning towards a Viking axe, a small one of course. So as I was running through how I was going to go about forging this thing, I quickly realized that I don't really have a proper way of holding it. Everything else I've heated and beaten has been a lot smaller than this, and I've generally just used a pair of pliers or a vice grip or something to hold onto it. But in the case of this specifically, I don't think that's going to work so well. So I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, checked how other people have made some tongs, and I came up with something that I thought I'd be able to pull off myself, to at least make forging this into something more beautiful than what it is now, a bit easier. Hopefully next week I'll get started on this.
So let's get this done.
So guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm very happy with how my tongs turned out. How long they're going to last remains to be seen. I did leave the front part of these tongs fairly long so that if something happens, like one of these breaks off, which I'm sure is a possibility, these are very thin and the thing it's going to be holding is going to be very hot. So I don't know how well they're going to hold up, but if something happens to it, I could just chop them off and weld or forge something else onto the front. At least now I can say I've forged something that is actually useful. So I'm very much looking forward to getting started on this bolt, and very interested to see how it's going to turn out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. If you'd like to support my channel, I'll drop a link to my Patreon in the description. So until next time, keep making stuff.